Consider a mixture of two solids, BaCl2, 2H2O, molecular weight 244.26, and KCl, molecular weight 74.551, in an unknown ratio. When the mixture is heated to 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, the water of crystallization is driven off. BaCl2, 2H2O solid undergoes the following reaction at 160 degrees Celsius. BaCl2, 2H2O solid gives BaCl2 solid and 2H2O gaseous. A sample initially weighing 1.7839 grams is heated, and its weight after heating is found to be 1.5623 grams. We need to calculate the weight percent of Ba, K, and Cl in the original sample.